Trackit calibration consists of 3 parts: scanner accuracy check and calibration, tracker accuracy verification and calibration, and hand-eye calibration. This tutorial will demonstrate a complete calibration process for Trackit, covering these 3 steps. The calibration process requires performing calibration at various distances. To ensure it goes smoothly, it is recommended to do the calibration in an open indoor space with a distance of 4 meters or more. It is recommended to calibrate before first use if the scanning environment or temperature changes, or when high accuracy scanning is required. 2. Ensure that the tracker tripod, scanner tripod, and calibration board tripod are positioned on a stable and solid surface. 3. Avoid grasping or rubbing the scanner, calibration pole, and the markers on the calibration board with your hands. 4. Always make sure the computer is turned on when using the product. 5. Trackit offers 2 calibration options, desktop and ground. Choose the one that best suits your workplace.
When performing ground calibration, adjust all 3 legs of the tracker tripod to the shortest length, and set the angle of each leg to the 3rd level, 80 degrees. Then, adjust the central column to a proper height to ensure that the tracker aligns with the designated position.
6. During the tracker calibration process, do not cover the tracker's cameras and make sure only the markers on the calibration pole are within the tracker's field of view. 7. During the hand-eye calibration process, avoid blocking the tracker's camera and ensure that only the scanner and the markers on the calibration board are in the tracker's line of sight. 8. Throughout the calibration process, ensure that no other objects are in the tracker's field of view. For scanner accuracy check and calibration, the necessary equipment is: first, start by installing and connecting the scanner for calibration. Then, extend the legs of the tracker tripod and pull downward until they lock into the standard angle. When all legs are at the same angle, loosen the leg knobs and extend the legs to a suitable height, then tighten the leg knobs. You can also loosen the central column locking knob to adjust the tripod's height. Take out the tracker dual-axis gimbal, align the screw hole at the bottom with the screw on top of the tripod, and tighten the screw by rotating the gimbal. Next, slide the quick release plate on the bottom of the tracker into the groove of the quick release clamp, and ensure the white lines on the front are aligned. Then, tighten the locking knob clockwise. Connect the power adapter's DC end to the tracker's 12V DC port and plug the AC end into a power supply. Connect the PC cable's L-shaped end to the tracker's PC port and tighten the screw. Insert the straight end into your PC's USB Type-C port. Connect the L-shaped end of the scanner cable to the tracker's 12V scanner port and tighten the screw. Then, connect the straight end to the scanner's USB Type-C port and tighten the screws. Attach the hanging loop on the cable sleeve to the hook at the bottom of the tracker tripod's central column. Turn on the power switch on the tracker's back. When the right LED turns green, a short beep sounds, and the software interface shows a scanner connected and tracker connected, indicating it's ready. Once connected, click Scanner Calibration in the software to start the calibration. For the initial calibration, it is recommended to follow the tutorial and click here to enter full calibration. After entering the calibration process, the software will first check the temperature of both the tracker and scanner. If the tracker temperature is too high, adjust the operating temperature and try again. If the tracker temperature is normal or too low, the software will automatically preheat the tracker. For best accuracy, wait until preheating is complete and the tracker has reached the proper operating temperature before starting calibration. After entering the program, confirm via the prompt at the bottom that both the tracker and scanner are connected. For the initial calibration, insert the USB flash drive and scan the QR codes on the calibration pole and board to get the SN information. Click on a Download and Import Online or Gimport from USB flash drive to input measurement information. Before calibrating the scanner, follow the prompts to place the white side of the calibration board facing up and horizontally on the table. Then, hold the scanner and do a practice calibration to familiarize yourself with the process. After practice, the calibration board stays with the white side up, placed horizontally on the table. Use the scanner as per the on-screen prompts for an accuracy check. If not qualified, click a Continue Calibration it to calibrate. First, calibrate the scanner at different heights when placed horizontally. On the interface, you will see 3 adjustment bars at the top, left, and right, representing camera tilt, pitch, and height. In the center of the screen, there is a cross. Move the scanner according to the prompts and place the sliders in the 3 adjustment bars in the white area until they show a green state. Finally, align the scanner with the center of the calibration board until the center cross also turns green. Keep it for 1 to 2 seconds. Next, calibrate the left side by pointing the scanner at the calibration board, aligning with the center cross, then tilting 20 degrees left. Follow prompts to adjust until all 3 sliders and the center cross turn green, and hold for 1 to 2 seconds. For calibration of the right, front, and back sides, just follow the software prompts and the method described above. After calibrating the scanner at different heights and directions, also calibrate its RGB camera. Hold the scanner 30 cm high and perform calibration in 5 orientations: vertical, 20 degrees tilt left, right, forward, and backward. Use the previously described method. After calibration, the software calculates the results. If qualified, click a Continue to proceed to the tracker accuracy check and calibration. After loading the software, you can calibrate directly or check tracker's accuracy. Hold the calibration pole horizontally, stand 2 meters from the tracker, and align the side with the markers directly towards it. According to the interface prompts, adjust the calibration pole to the designated position to complete the horizontal accuracy check. Then, hold the calibration pole vertically about 2 meters from the tracker, align the side with the markers towards it. Ensure the inclined side faces downward, and the A up arrow points upward. According to the interface prompts, adjust the calibration pole to the designated position to complete the vertical accuracy check. Finally, hold the calibration pole vertically, tilted 45 degrees backward, and position it about 2 meters from the tracker with the side with markers facing it. Ensure the inclined part faces downward and the A up arrow points upward. Follow the interface prompts to adjust the calibration pole to the specified position. Afterward, perform the accuracy check at the 45 degrees angle. After the accuracy check, decide if tracker calibration is needed based on the results. The following equipment is needed for tracker calibration: First, set up the scanner gimbal. Align the positioning column on the scanner tripod with the hole on the bottom of the scanner gimbal. Attach the scanner gimbal to the scanner tripod using its bolt. Then, connect the L-shaped end of the scanner gimbal cable to the tracker's gimbal port and tighten the screw. Connect the straight end to the top port on the scanner gimbal and tighten the screw. You attach the cable to the scanner tripod with a cable tie during calibration to avoid it tangling with the calibration pole. Next, connect one end of the tracker gimbal cable to the yellow port on the back of the tracker and tighten the screw. Connect the other end to the port on the tracker gimbal and tighten the screw. Finally, attach the calibration pole to the scanner gimbal. Keep it upright with the inclined surfaces facing the table. Slide the latch on the gimbal until the pole is securely fastened. Place the calibration pole facing the tracker on the table as per the software prompts. Adjust the tracker tripod's height and ensure all legs are at the same angle. After installation and placement, click Next. After entering the tracker calibration program, ensure all devices and gimbals are connected through the prompts at the bottom of the interface. Adjust the tracker position following prompts until the calibration pole matches the red frame. When it turns green, keep it stable for 1 to 3 seconds. The software will then calibrate automatically at the first distance. After each distance's automatic calibration, the tracker and scanner gimbal will perform pose normalization. Once done, follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the next distance's calibration. If you need to adjust the tracker's height, rotate the tripod's center axis knob, then tighten after adjustment. When moving the tracker left or right to adjust its position, avoid moving it forward or backward. During the tracker calibration, pay close attention to the data cable behind the device to prevent it from getting tangled. After completing automatic calibration at all distances, the software calculates results. If accuracy qualifies, click Continue. It then saves results and proceeds to hand-eye calibration. The following equipment is needed for hand-eye calibration. First, remove the calibration pole by holding it with one hand and using the other to push the latch on the scanner gimbal in the unlock direction. Lay the positioning pad flat. Then set up the calibration board, tripod, and scanner tripod on the marked positions. Next, connect the scanner to the gimbal with the scanner adapter, then slide the latch to secure it. Then, place the calibration board into its tripod within the white outline, with the black side facing the scanner and the marker side facing the tracker. After verifying placement per the installation diagram in the software, click Next. The gimbal will then perform pose normalization. Then, follow software prompts to move the tracker until both the calibration board and scanner show green status, then hold steadily. Adjust the tracker to the correct position and keep it stable as prompted. The software will then automatically calibrate the hand-eye system. After calibration, the software calculates results. Once accuracy is qualified, click a complete. Finally, wait for the device to restart before continuing with the scanning tasks.